In this video, we're talking specifically about diaphragmatic breathing, what it actually is and how it works in the body. Diaphragmatic breathing is often misunderstood. Many people assume it means taking big breaths or pushing the belly out, and that's not how the diaphragm is designed to work. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle and it sits just underneath the lungs here. And when it contracts, it moves downwards, creating space for the lungs to expand. But that movement doesn't happen in isolation. As the diaphragm descends, it also works together with the lower rib cage, the abdominal wall, and the lower back. So ideally, as we breathe in, the intercostal muscles expand, so the lower ribs expand outwards to the side and gently into the lower back. Then the abdominal wall responds by allowing the intra-abdominal pressure to distribute evenly, not by pushing the belly forward, not by bracing either, or pulling in. So you'll feel this through a widening through the lower rib cage and a soft expansion into both the lower back and gently into the lower abdomen. There can be a sense of the breath moving downward into the pelvis. It's quite a nice sensation if you can really relax the lower abdomen. It's not because air is going there, but because pressure is being distributed through the whole container. And this even distribution of pressure inside the abdomen is what supports healthy, natural breathing. It also supports good posture and spinal stability. So these mechanics really matter for functional movement and functional breathing, because when the diaphragm moves this way, air is directed much more effectively toward the lower regions of the lungs as well. And the alveoli at the base of the lungs are much better perfused and better suited for gas exchange. So oxygen uptake becomes more efficient. Carbon dioxide is also regulated more effectively. And that change in breathing chemistry then feeds back into many systems of the body, but including the nervous system, so that when gas exchange is efficient, the body receives fewer signals of urgency. And so the regulation of the nervous system becomes much easier to maintain. So full diaphragmatic breathing isn't about breathing bigger. It's about how the diaphragm moves, how pressure is distributed, and how those mechanics support both breathing and nervous system regulation.